Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a oasis by the sea. A seafront property in St. Anne is difficult to find these days, so this may not stay long. It features 2 villas and a swimming pool on 0.6 acres. Villa number 1 has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with spacious living areas and a big patio. Villa number 2 has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, generous living area, and a good-sized kitchen, again with a great patio. This villa also boasts a rooftop observation deck. Each bedroom is air-conditioned and boasts a ceiling fan. There are also staff quarters for 2. The grounds are beautifully landscaped, and there are steps leading down to the sea. This property is fully walled in, very private, and quite secure. The property is being offered with all the furnitures. Guys, let's take a look at this property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Yeah. No. 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 No.
The asking price for this property is US 890,000 or Jamaican $136.9 million. To purchase our make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.